Shark skin feels exactly like sandpaper because it is made up of tiny teeth-like structures called placoid scales. These scales point towards the tail and help reduce friction from surrounding water when the shark swims. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, long before dinosaurs. Because their skeletons are made of cartilage instead of bones, they don't leave fossils like other animals. All sharks have a sixth sense that helps them hone in on prey during the final phase of attack. The ammupli of Lorenzini are found on sharks' snouts and can sense the electric fields emitted by animals in the surrounding water. Sharks come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny lantern sharks, which are about the size of your hand, to giant whale sharks, which can grow up to 18 meters long. About 2/3 of shark attacks on humans have taken place in water less than 6 feet deep. Until 1847, chocolate was a delicacy enjoyed in bitter liquid form. The British chocolate company, Fry & Sons, introduced the concept of eating chocolate after combining cocoa butter, sugar, and chocolate liquor. White chocolate isn't actually considered to be chocolate because it doesn't contain any cacao solids or cacao liquor. This sweet treat is made up of a blend of cocoa butter, vanilla, and sugar. In Mayan times, cacao beans were used as currency and were considered to be worth more than gold dust. In order to keep the value of the cocoa bean in check, cultivation of cacao trees was restricted. The smell of chocolate increases theta brainwaves, which trigger relaxation. Chocolate is the only edible substance to melt around 32 degrees Celsius, just below human body temperature. This helps explain the melt in your mouth sensation you get when consuming it. A black hole is created when a large star explodes and the leftover core collapses into an object so small and dense that its gravity becomes too strong for even the fastest thing in the universe, light, to escape. Saturn is the lightest planet. It is even lighter than water. If there were an ocean big enough to hold Saturn, this gas giant would float like a beach ball. The Sun constitutes 99% of the total mass of our solar system. Moons can have moons, and they are often referred to as moons or submoons. Because the surface of the moon has no wind or water, an astronaut's footprint could last for millions of years. Penguins ingest a lot of seawater while hunting for fish, but a special gland behind their eyes, the supraorbital gland, filters out the saltwater from their bloodstream. A penguin's coloring is a matter of camouflage. From above, its black back blends into the murky depths of the ocean. From below, its white belly is hidden against the bright surface. Most penguins swim underwater at around 4 to 7 miles per hour, but the fastest penguin, the gentoo, can reach top speeds of 22 miles per hour. Emperor penguins are the tallest species, standing nearly 4 feet tall. The smallest is the little blue penguin, which is only about 16 inches. All 18 species of penguins are found exclusively in the southern hemisphere. Curling is originally from Scotland, which dates back to the year 1511. Some records indicate that the first games were made on frozen lakes and ponds. Today's curling stones are made of granite, but not just any granite. The stone is sourced exclusively from either two locations, the Scottish island of Elisa Craig or the Trefor Granite Quarry in Wales. Each curler wears two different types of shoes, one that glides on the ice smoothly, and one that grips the ice. The weight of one stone varies between 38 and 44 pounds, with a height of 4.5 inches and circumference of 36 inches. Curling earned the nickname, the roaring game, because of the rumbling sound a curling stone makes when it's delivered and how it glides across rough ice.